Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday morning. Another Sunday, another selling day for Mommy and Ate Paris, guys. So it's currently 6:30 ng umaga, and you won't believe it. First time in the history, kami yung nauna ni Ate Paris dito. Dumating kami dito a few minutes ago, but slowly dumarating na yung ibang mga sellers din. So, pag 7 o'clock, actually, just before 7, pwede ka nang mag-line doon sa harap. And they will let you in. And you can start unpacking and setting up your stall. So, kaninang umaga, guys. Dapat sana kagabi nag-usap kami ni Daddy Mike. So, normally kasi si Daddy Mike, tinutulungan niya ako sa mga luggages, yung mga bit-bit namin. But, this morning, nagising si Baby Celine. So, while I was getting Ate Paris ready, nagising si Baby Celine. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, wag na lang, hindi ko na lang isturbuhin si Daddy Mike kasi si Baby Celine iiyak. So, yung ginawa namin, bumaba kami ni Ate Paris, and because last night, late na kaming naka-away from the play date, wala nang parking sa baba. So, we had to park the car across the road. Na medyo lalakarin mo pa. So, I had to pick up the car, drive it back, and then lagay lahat ng mga goodies sa loob ng ating sasakyan. Kumakain na ng breakfast. What are you having?
Huh?
What are you having?
Myline cereal.
Cereal. Kagabi tinanong ko yan siya kung gusto niya talagang sumama. Sabi niya, oo. So, ayan. Mama kay mama. Punong-puno na naman ang ating sasakyan, guys, ng paninda. Shall we go out na lang? We'll go get coffee. I think the coffee truck is open now. Okay. Finally, guys. Tapos na. It's 12:30. Napak na lahat. Ito na lang yung last na papasok sa sasakyan. And that's it for our Sunday selling, guys. We've done good. Hindi ko pa na-check kung magkano yung kita namin ng Paris. Yeah. It's good. It's busy today, actually. There's so many people. So, yung kaibahan ng market na to kumpara sa market na pinuntahan namin last Sunday is mas maliit yun and shorter time kasi 3 hours lang, ito 4 hours. And here, more people kasi every Sunday kasi sila open. Yung isa, every other Sunday lang. And mostly dito, yung mga nabibenta ko, guys, yung mga clothing, ganun. But doon sa kabila, mostly mga handbags. So yeah, I sold one Gucci handbag, which I'm very happy about. But, ayan, bigat-bigat. And, very exciting kasi may nakilala kaming dalawang Pinay, guys. Bisaya din sila. So, super happy. Si Lyra, bumili siya ng, ano bumili niya? Oh yes, Celine na maxi skirt from me. So, yeah, very excited talaga ako kung may mga nakikilala akong mga Pinay ba. So, very hugyaw kanina, guys, kasi mga Bisaya ba nagkakaintindihan. It's 2 o'clock, guys. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Oh my goodness. Kakain na tayo. Actually, magkakape ako ngayon. 2 o'clock magkakape. Ako na talaga, guys. Nakita niyo ako sa vlog ko. Nagkakape ako ng gabi. Nagkakape ako ng lunch. Basta, feel ko lang magkape. Nagkakape ako. So, pagdating namin dito, kanina tulog si Baby Celine. Hanggang ngayon tulog pa rin siya, guys. Kaya may time tayong magkape. And Daddy Mike cooked rice for me. So I think may tuyo pa ako dito na naiwan from the other day. Ako na talaga. Ito ang lunch ni mami nyo, guys. Naiwan. Just this piece of bulad ang aking pang lunch. And then rice. And then kape. Busog na. Daog na ba dito? Like this, some people wait a lifetime. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nanonood ng Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka ba? Yung chocolate factory. What are you eating, Ate? Tingnan yung kanyang ID.
Have a banana, please.
Paris. Sino gumawa nito kanina doon? Hey, hold this one. No, she had banana already, ba? But, thing.
Look at, I'll have a piece of orange then. You got Louis the Lamb.
Hey! Hey! Oh! Come here.
Turn around.
Daddy.
LA.
Wait!
Turn around, Louis the Lamb.
Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, guys, ba? I'm not happy with the haircut na binigay nila kay Louis, guys. Kasi it looks very harsh. Like harsh lines. Hindi katulad nung una na, malinis niya. Ngayon, guys, hindi siya. Parang pagkaputol ko ng bangs ng mga anak ko, guys. Marami na nagko-comment kung sa kanilang mga bangs.
Are you laughing?
Yeah. Oh, brother. Hi, Louis. Ow! Look. Yeah. Look, hi Sabah. Hi to the vlog. Say hi, guys. Yeah. Louis? Louis? Louis, yeah. Did you play with Celine?
Yes. He jumped up with us this morning.
Chicka 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 bum, chicka chicka bum.
He got a good 2 or 3 hours in bed.
Yeah.
Oh, I stopped it just from getting smashed down.
Lucky. Lucky.
Lucky.
What'd you say?
I said, my job is the balcony in the bathroom today. And your job is Mama's bedroom this week.
Yeah. So, maglilinis ulit kami, guys, kasi yung mama ni Daddy Mike ay darating na yung Wednesday. So, in 3 days time, she'll be here because school holidays ni Ate Paris starting this week for 2 weeks. So, alam niyo naman yung lola nila na kapag school holidays ay pupunta talaga dito para ma-spend yung days with Ate Paris and Baby Celine.
And Joby.
And Mike.
Mike.
Mike. Yeah. I think, is she staying for 2 weeks? Yeah, she's staying for the whole 2 weeks. Yeah, linis-linis na naman tayo dito. Hindi naman siya sobrang dumi, guys. Like, very messy lang ba? Sa labas, meron pang mga nilabhan na hindi pa natupi. Yeah. And this is the first time that Mom is coming. Now we have Louis. So, we'll see, we'll see how we go. Louis, you gotta be real good, yeah? Otherwise...
Yeah, be a good boy.
Yeah. You're gonna meet Lola Karen! Woo! You're gonna meet Lola! Huh? You're gonna meet Lola Karen for the first time. Diba? Kasi nung... Ay, hindi ba pala school holidays? When we went to Melbourne, that was not school holidays, was it?
No.
No, okay. Yeah.
Get off.
So Mom never been here this year. This is the first time this year.
She came in summer. I don't know if it was like January or December. She came when it was hot last time.
Okay. But yeah, Wednesday yung dating niya. Oh, I met two Filipinas. Bob.
What's your picture? How are they?
They're Bisaya.
Are they good?
Yeah. They're Bisaya. Bob, it's like Bisaya to Bisaya. Like we can express ourselves, Bob. Like we're calling like each other crazy, you know. We can just express ourselves in Bisaya. She's not. I said, "What nationality are you?" She said, "I'm from the Philippines." And I said, "Like me too," but she couldn't believe that I'm from the Philippines.
Really?
Yeah. I said, "Like, is it because of my blue eyes?"
Bobby.
Like, are you really from the Philippines? Yeah.
Do you love his lamb face?
Yeah, no, you look like a sheep.
And he looks like a greyhound.
You look like a sheep.
Sounds great.
He was very cuddly this morning.
Good boy, Louis.
Did you take care of Leanie?
Have you been giving water to Lily Bob? Did you have any water today, this morning?
But she's been a bit fussy, like. Shut her.
Did she? Big one?
Like a rock. Come on.
At least that's, yeah. That's why, yeah, she's constipated. That's why she's not.
It's funny. And then markers that you bought.
What?
These and things. Bub, this. Look. I've cooked that rice so long.
Yeah.
Bub, I woke up this morning and her arm and black. Her whole arm and hand were jet black.
What?
She coloured
Isn't
in.
it?
Yeah. Completely coloured in. I caught her, Bub, red-handed.
Or what? She woke up before you?
She was awake the whole time.
So she...
No, I was having a shower.
Oh, okay.
Bub, she coloured her whole hand. Like, I'm talking, there was not one white part, there was not one part of her skin left. From Bub, I caught her red hand, she's like, ready? Looking away. It took me ages to wash it off.
Did I hear my baby come out from the bedroom?
Yeah, she said, I want to wear Aarti's shirt, Aarti's sharing.
Who's home? Who's home?
Right, go away.
Who's home?
Mommy?
Come, here's a baby, mommy. What is it? What? What does she want, Mom?
Oh yeah. You want Daddy to blow it up for you?
Did you go to the shop? Did you go to the shop?
Yeah.
Together?
Yeah, we had to buy banana.
Oh, Joshua pala mukha siya. Oh, okay.
Banana and...
You want Mama open?
Banana and...
This is the list.
Shati?
Kaya pala. She wants to surprise Ate. Wow! Thank you, Lainey. That's very kind of you. Now she's back. Kaya pala, bilis-bilis niya. Bumaba. Hello!
Ate said come share some fruit.
Say hi, guys. I miss you so much. Did you miss Mama? I love you. I love you so much. Did you wake up early this morning? What's wrong? What's wrong? Is my coffee? Is this coffee number? Come carry Mama. Ate is eating fruit. Would you like to share? Or are you still tired? It's okay. Mama's having coffee. Mama's having coffee. Have you been drinking water?
Yes.
Good girl! That's what I want to hear. Did you miss Mama? I didn't hear you. Did you miss Mama? Tingnan niyo guys ang ginagawa ko. So, nandito tayo sa room. This is what it looks like at the moment. Tinanggal ko yung sheet sa taas. Kasi kapag nandito yung lola ni Ate Paris sleeps up there. Kapag nandito ang lola niya. Pero pag wala naman guys, hindi ko siya pinapatulog dyan sa taas. Dito always sa baba or sa room namin. So yeah, all this, tingnan nyo. So we gotta clean this up. Na-organize ko na yung mga costumes ni Celine dyan. So that looks clean. Yes, I just have to do. Check natin si Daddy Mike dito. Uy, Louie. No. Malinis na. Celine? What are you doing? What are you doing? Anak, oh my God. Tingnan nyo, binigyan ko ng mango chunks. Tilap-tilapan na niya guys. Binalik din. Hey, kalamay, gagawin mo. Ako guys, ito pa yung natapos ko. Kasi si Baby Celine kanina gusto magpakarga. Hala, ito, na-change ko na. Sa taas, na-change ko na. Tapos, ayan, chika-chika pa with my family while cleaning. Oh, nawa man akong kaistorya. Hey! Time check, guys! It's now 7:20. Can you believe that? Andito pa rin ako sa loob ng kwarto, guys. Walang katapusan. So, now, malinis na yung kwarto, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung resulta natin paglilinis. So, I'm just installing this one. I got this one from Temu. Isa ito sa mga bagay-bagay na pinadala nila sa akin for free para i-review. And this one is cup holder. So, tingnan dito siya, guys. Ididikit yan siya sa wall, ganyan. Tapos,
what's that, Mama?
It's a cup holder, like this. Like that.
So, do we
dahil mahaba siya, guys, ganyan, marami kang cup na mailalagay dito. Especially Daddy Mike owns like millions of them. So, this is very... I'll stick it up there.
I mean, we can do it together.
For my...
I mean, you can carry me, can
Baba, I have to do it properly lang, otherwise it's gonna fall easily. I'll just lay here.
Leaning.
So apparently, nakasabi sa instruction, guys, don't use it
No.
until tomorrow. Like 24 hours pa daw. But I think I can now. It's very sticky. Grabe ka, strong yung glue gamit. I think I can use that now. Hindi naman mabigat yung ilalagay. So it should be alright. So this is what it looks like now, guys. This one and this side. Ayan na siya. Malinis-linis na siyang tingnan. Oh. Uy, palini! Allah! My God, nasap na napulis siya. Nagbutang anak! You know, I just cleaned the mirror, anak! Oh my goodness, just Lord. Ito yung dahilan, guys, kung bakit like non-stop ang paglilinis dito sa bahay. Have a look at your lips. It's already pink. No more, okay, have a look. You put it on the mirror again. Mama just cleaned it.
I just want to put it on it and be a princess.
You could be a princess, okay, but no wiping here, okay? Look, oh my God, we have to clean that again.
Can I show you them and you my handstand?
Yeah, hang on, sweetie. So, ganun guys. Ayan siya. Diyan ko nilagay para more storage pa. Space. Diyan. Oh, diba? And then I can put more. Para may space pa tayo. Yes, I'm very happy with my cleaning in this room, guys. Change the sheets and everything.
So, guys,
vacuumed.
So I'm going to show you one of my gymnastic tricks now. And it's a headstand. So I want to show you now.
Okay.
I've been showing you.
Nak, like face this way lang. So you're not close to the bed. Yes.
Like this?
Yeah, just in case. Yeah. Whoa, Ati. 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 Good job, Ati. Well done. Ang isa, princess. Enough na, anak. That's too much na. Pwede na tayong mag-ano dito, guys. Oh,
So bad.
picture sa gamit ang, ano, hindi na masyadong, messy.
Ow! Ow!
Lini? Susambot na yung anak. Na. Nagluto si Daddy Mike ng dinner namin, guys. Nakakain na kami. What's this one, Daddy?
Beef. Korma.
Alright, girls. Celine for sure will just eat the rest.
You want some chili?
Yeah, a little bit, please. Thank you. Tingnan nyo ang mga kids, guys. Oh my God. Hala. Tingnan nyo, hinalikan ako ni Ate Paris, oh. May kiss mark ako sa aking mukha. Tingnan nyo lang, mga lips. Lane, show your lips, Lane.
To the good.
Pati yung ngipin niya, may lipstick. Yeah. See ya.
Potato. Mommy, look at the potato. Okay, can I do on the other cheek? I mean, on the... Yeah. Do on the other cheek or here?
Just here.
Mom, can I see that too?
Kiss me.
I can see it. I can't kiss you. I have to get more.
That's it. No, have a look at your lipstick. Your lips are thick na. Lipstick. Ay! Lawa na lang. Saan na si Mama?
Yeah, I'll make one top. Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. Mommy, come here. I'll make you a princess.
You just made me a monster.
I'll make you a princess. What's this?
Princess, hello.
Here.
Mara kayo ati-atihan.
What's that?
Thank you.
I'm not done yet.
Curry beef.
I'm not done yet.
We're gonna eat now.
I'm not done
What-
yet. Have I
which
tried this before?
Huh?
Have I tried this before?
No, I think maybe.
Louis. Sige na, Louis boy. See you in the morning. This one is very sleepy na. What are you then? Suki? Good night, boy. Good night.
My name is Paris and I'm a really good gymnast. So I want to show you one of my gymnastic tricks, which is a handstand, and I hope you like it. Yes, you do. Do you like it? How do you do like it?
Yeah, you have to do that, Paris. Good job, buddy.
Well done, Abby.
Did you like that?
That's very
Happy
good.
day.
Okay. Your turn.
Representing Celine now to come.
Okay. No? No?
Let me do piggyback.